All right, so I am totally excited. Just got done with the plastic surgeon. It looks like they're not going to have to cut off my arm. It looks like it's healing pretty well. The bad news is he doesn't want me doing any really strenuous activity, so it looks like rototilling my garden is going to be out. He said unless I can do it with one hand. I'm not sure if I can do it with one hand, running the rototiller. I might even try it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But he doesn't want me causing anything in my, he doesn't want my arm to swell, because that's going to, it's going to inhibit the healing process. So, man, I said, well, can I do some Amazon Flex? He was like, well, yeah, as long as you're not like having to lift, a whole bunch of heavy packages and stuff like that. So, keeping my fingers crossed I don't get any big heavy loads if I do some Amazon Flex. But, I'm really grateful. I am so grateful because, I was thinking about it today. I could have bled out with that injury. I mean, it was so close to my, I totally ripped open my arm. I had 39 stitches in just a horseshoe shape. And it was right near where I just had surgery on my wrist that was broken this past September. And fortunately, I didn't damage that either. I could have impaled myself by falling off the ladder. I mean, I could have been stuck through the neck with a crepe myrtle branch or something. I mean, I get shivers. I mean, have you ever gotten into an injury before, and then every once in a while you start thinking about it and like you have like a flashback and you start going, oh, you know what I mean? It's like, oh my God, it could have been so much worse. So I'm so grateful, but I'm also very, very excited. And maybe that may be because my medication needs to be adjusted. I'm not sure, but I was in to see the other doctor today, and it looks like she wants to adjust my medication because in case that I'm being I'm experiencing a little bit too much mania is what maybe the thing that people are observing. So I'm sorry. I may be exhibiting a little bit of mania, but as excited as I am about this opportunity, it's hard to discern whether it's the mania or true excitement, really, to be honest with you. Because I have invested and gone all in with this opportunity. I really believe that this company is going to just be a game changer within the network marketing niche, within the affiliate marketing niche, lead generation, AI follow-ups and automation and duplication, building teams. I mean, there's so much going on in this system that it can't do anything but grow. And if you haven't positioned yourself within this system now, I don't know, man. All I'm asking is that you just check it out, because the CEO is saying he expects that this company is to become $1 billion company. They've already invested like over $1 million getting this thing started up. Okay, I mean, that's not any chump change. That's some serious money. People who are serious about making something happen. I mean, I don't have $1 million to invest in a company, but I do have some money that I have put into this, and I'm not asking anybody to do more than me or less than me. Well, I mean, or as much as me. I'm asking for you to do less than me, even just to get your foot in the door and position yourself, because he really believes that anybody that's positioning themselves right now have the best chance of becoming millionaires within a year. Can you imagine? Could you imagine if after all the time that you've been putting into struggling and striving and just hoping and plodding through and trying to overcome and just the frustration of trying to get ahead, and you've been looking for an opportunity, and here it is right in front of you. This could be the one. And you won't know until you click on the link in the description or in the comments. Anyway, I am pretty fired up. So I really, and I haven't even seen the kind of results that I'm expecting yet. But I really believe, and pretty soon, I talked about this the other day. I said there is hope and there is belief and then there's knowing. And right now, I'm beyond hope. I'm into believing. I really believe. And pretty soon, I'm already starting to know because I'm seeing the leads come in. And all I got to do is see some conversions. Oh boy, game on, game over. You wait and see, man. You think I'm getting a little excited now. You wait and see. Medicine or no medicine. Anyway, so yeah, this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. There's no guarantee on income. Just FYI. But that does not prohibit you from reaching the goal or reaching the ability to and the potential of earning $16,500 in one sale, in commissions from one sale. I guess I am exhibiting a little bit of mania. They've just adjusted my medication, so we'll see over the next few days. If I start falling asleep while I'm doing the videos, then we'll know. All right, I'll see you on the next video.